Hi there, my dear Air's friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading commencing 18th of November. It's timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Aries. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. If you will like my reading, please comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's begin. Love and light. Namaste. Right. The spirit guides. What will be your messages for our dear Aries friends commencing 18th of November? The spirit guides. What will be your messages for our dear Aries friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Right. The bottom of the deck is that's you, King of Wands. So, oh wow. Okay, for some of you, well, maybe most of you are um, having in a leadership role, okay, and you are happy and enjoying what you're doing, yes. And it says in here, the back of the card, being a leader, you are doing great. So um, a lot of people, a lot of your colleagues are jealous of you, okay? But most really adores and admires of your leadership, being a leader in a team, because you are very firm, can be tough, but with a good heart, okay? Um, you just want only to be like make your being a leader, you want to your team to be it's not perfect but at least doing great job, let's say, okay. So in here I can, yes, you are also, I think, working with someone with a water sign, six of um, hearts, who is really helping you and supportive to you, whatever plans that you want uh, to happen, to make the team or the company rise and improve, to make it successful, right? Yes, that's yeah. Right. Well, I my spirit guides is four of gloves. My spirit guides is saying that because there are colleagues who are jealous of you, they wanted to pin you down, right? So please be aware of any suspicious offer, which you will feel it that it's not a like a legit or an authentic offer, right? Um, Trust your intuition, okay? Follow your instincts, okay? So, there is a deceit in here because of that jealousy, okay? See to it that you have to investigate first, or think it, think um, several times before you accept that offer, okay? Please avoid any blind acceptance from, from others, especially if it's your business. If you own a business and then someone wanted to deal something, okay, um please um trust your intuition. My spirit guide is telling me to um, use, because you are highly intuitive individual, use it, okay? Um, because something is going to happen in here badly, okay? So please do not let this thing happen to you, okay? Yes, it's Jack of spade. This is a jealous person who is hostile and really jealous to you. So please, please avoid tricky situation. It's a younger person who got an air sign energy, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. Okay, so please, yeah, for some of you, if you are a leader in a group or in a team, in a, yes, it's one of your colleague, or one as well, a leader as well, like you, but trying to um pin down your reputation, okay? So please, to avoid mistakes and for the problem, be be beware, okay? With that, okay, so if you will avoid that one, if there will be no problem, please, I'm telling you here, 5 of diamonds, there will be a huge um changes that is going to happen in your life. So be prepared, okay? It's a positive. Um, Maybe I can feel it in here that for some of you is going to be promoted, and then this person is aware that you will be promoted, and this person is going to do something to pin you down, to pull you down, so that you will not go to that path for success. Okay, so in here, if you will be able to avoid this tricky situation, then there be prepared for a massive change that is going to happen in your life. Okay, it is for the better. And for some of you, it is a birth of a child, or someone going is getting pregnant in here. And for some of you, those who have business already and wanted to have another one, or wanted, yeah, to make their business bigger, then it's time to start that um, plan. Okay, and I can see it in here that your inspiration is a happy family life. Okay, there is a secret revealed in here by someone close to your heart. So be ready with that. I can feel that it will hurt you a little bit, but it will not, you will not let um this not good information um um affect you and give you a bad impact on your life path, that you are now walking into a successful life path. Okay, so be very courageous and strong enough to deal with this uh, negative energy that is trying to pin you down. Okay, I can see it in here as well. I can feel it in here as well, that some of you is involved in a scandal, a dispute, a fight, having a debate with a group of people. But I can feel it in here that you are going to win. You are in a winning side. Okay, you will be victorious because you are on the right side. Yes, you are going to stand your ground and fight for the truth. Yes, that's right. Do that, my Aries. Okay, it's oh right. You are going to deal a legal arguments in here, as I've said, dealing with legal issues with a group of people, but you will be victorious in the end. Okay, so don't worry about that. And only that, watch your words coming out from. Yes, you can be a bit tough, you are a straightforward person for most of you, but be aware as well that there are people who are sensitive, and then they can use that against you. Okay, Queen of Hearts, someone is it's a Queen of Hearts. This is a water sign, motherly, um woman who is really affectionate and caring, who will give you a fair, playful advice. So listen to that, because this advice is full of wisdom, and it will help you in your journey. Okay, there is a love and happiness that is happening in your life. That's why you are really inspired, despite of these people who is trying to pin you down. Okay, there is a major success that is going to happen in your life very soon. Okay, so ready to grow vigorously. Okay, yes, and with that, be courageous and be extra careful with the people around you, because not 100% is on you. Okay, believes in you. Okay, those who are jealous are just watching and really trying to think what to do in, you know, to mm, make your reputation bad, and to, because they're so jealous. Seven, yes, seven of clubs. There is a business success in here, but there is a woman who is also, for those who are leaders, um, who is going to receive a career growth, recognition, rewards, a promotion, or going. Yes, there is a woman, an opposite sex, that is not happy. Don't disagree of what you are going to receive. Okay, so but there is a massive success in here. Okay, yes, there is a success and a prosperity on the horizon. Okay, and yes, six of clubs, as I've said, for those who are going to start for a new project, a business, those who wanted, I can feel it in here that so for some of you wanted to have a bigger house and wanted to move to a new house, um but uh you have only you have the money that you have is not enough to purchase that new house, or to or if some of you are wanted to buy an expensive things, but it's very useful because I know for some of, well, most of the areas are wise spender, then someone is going to give you, to lend you money for as a financial aid, to let you have that what you want, what you desire in life. That is a divine um person who will be sent to you by the universe to help you. Okay, so I can feel it in here that for some of you, because you are thinking too much of what to do next, then my spirit guide is advising you to have a good rest, to have a good sleep. That is really very significant to you, so that if you have a good enough sleep, then when you wake up, you have an optimistic energy that will attract more positivity in your life. Okay, let's go to the tarot cards, my dear Aries friends, and let's see what are the messages um, that has in store for you in the tarot guide from my spirit guides. Let's see, week commencing 18th of ah, November. Let's see. Okay, the bottom of the deck is Three of Cups. It's a yes card and associated with the Cancerian energy and aligned to planet Mercury, which is a communication and the mentality. So as I've said, you are a very good communicator and a deep thinker, and it is aligned as well to third eye chakra. As I've said earlier on, trust your intuition and follow your instincts before accepting any offer. And if you feel like it's there is something in there that will not help you to grow, then do not. Okay, the friendship, yes, it's a card of friendship, and there will be a celebrations that is going to happen. You are going to attend a party or gatherings, and there is happiness in here. You will be happy and enjoying with your friends. Okay, and I've said there is a baby shower, and it's a happy time for you to celebrate for your all your achievements and success that you are going to receive very soon. Okay, in here, um it's a reverse, the sun, lack of enthusiasm, there is sadness in here. um for some of you, I think it's having a miscarriage or a stillbirth, or for some of you, lose a baby, abortion. But yes, for those who are young, who don't want to have a responsibility yet, but it happens, and you decided to do this, then please look after your health. Okay, and yes, it says in here, and please stay humble and stay grounded. Do not be conceited, whatever your achievements, dreams that you are going to, because be grateful instead. Okay, so it says in here, Six of Swords, it's transition. There is transitions in here, and then it's an a associated with Aquarian, I mean Libra energy, no, Aquarian energy, I mean, and again aligned to Mercury. So think before doing it. Okay, any plans that you're going to do, um think first, okay? And it is aligned to heart chakra. So do it with compassion. Yes. And then it says in here, for some of you, you are now in your healing period, okay? And so with that, after that, you will now start to manifest um um what is this, receiving what is really destined for you, okay? Yes. um yes, Aries, oh my god, you are destined for greatness in here, okay? So for some of you, you are going to travel for business purposes. It's a business travel. And for some of you, you just want to unwind, or for some of you, just only um for as a celebratory purpose. Okay, let's go to the angel messages for you, my dear Aries friends. Week commencing 18th of November. Right, let's see. The bottom of the card is two of earth. Two of earth. Too much going on at once. The need to make a decision. Consider a more playful approach. Yes, that's true. Consider a more playful approach. Knight of earth. Knight of earth. Loyal, dedicated, honorable, and kind. Time to buckle down and get things done. Honor your commitments. A guardian angel is going to appear in front of you, okay? Yes, there will be, as I've said, I think, in the beginning, that there is someone is going to lend you a hand. Either it's financial or, yes, an emotional support like that. Then it is your guardian angel in a physical being. Yeah. Let's go to the animal spirit message for you. My dear Aries friends, week commencing something, but I wanted to write. Week commencing 18th of November. Let's see. The bottom of the deck is Princess of Summer. It's a deer. Okay, like you, yes. Sensitive, kind, open-hearted, and inexperienced. You can expect to kindle a new romantic relationship or close platonic friendship. Oh, it's a friendship again in here. Oh, yes, most of you Aries are very, very friendly. Yes, I can see it in here that you are surrounded with loyal friends. But most of them are loyal and kind to you, but some are with jealousy. You may suddenly receive an emotional message, mhm, from someone, or be invited to a social event. You know what? I remember what I have said. There will be a secrets revealed by you by someone close to your heart. So be prepared with that. But it's I feel like 70% positive and negative is it will hurt you, but you will not let this affect you. Okay, 10 of autumn, golden retriever dog. Contentment comes from knowing that your finances are secure and your family's material needs are taken care of. It's important to honor traditions and have pride in your heritage and the accomplishment of your ancestors. So that's for you, my dear Aries friends. Okay, for those who are seeking an advice or messages from the spirit guides regarding their job, career, and business, I can see it in here that for some of you who are entrepreneur, there is a success in business. Let's see. Right. Bottom of the card is opportunity. Doors are opening up for you. You have the chance to change jobs, start a business, or invest in a new venture. Just do it. As I've said, for some of you who are planning, yeah, to make your business, if you have already an existing business, but you want to make it grow bigger and like that, it's time for you to start that one. Harmony. It's important for you to have a quiet, peaceful work atmosphere in order for you to thrive. Working at home or for yourself is best. Okay. And those who have one question in their mind, okay, that wanted to know if it's a yes or no, okay, think about it now. Okay, my dear Aries friends, if you like this message, this reading, please don't forget to comment below, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. So the bottom of the deck is no. Don't risk it all on this. On this, it's a losing proposition. As I've said earlier on, if someone offered you and you feel like it's not genuine, it's like a risky. Yes, yeah, you're not comfortable to accept it, then don't do it. Okay, let's see. No, wow, it's a double no. Feeling out of sync, not compatible with you. See? So don't do it. It is not yet the right time, or maybe that person just want only to pin you down. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear Aries friends. Good luck. Love and light. Namaste.